Spaghetti for dinner tonight. It's late and it's getting late. Why? Because I want to grind my own meat. Nowadays, I'm so scared. I am scared to buy ground meat. So I bought me a grinder and I'm going to grind my own burger patties. Spaghetti meat. So let's start. I want my gloves. By the way, I hope everybody's doing well. You want to cut into small pieces and put it, drop it in the, oops, I think this is fake. And also, the reason why I want to do this is because sometimes they don't have a ground Angus beef, which is the only beef that I wanted to eat is Angus. You know, if I can afford Kobe beef, Wagyu, all those kind of best beef, I would like to do that, but I've never seen one over here in where I live. And plus, that would be too much for my budget. Once in a while, I would do that if they have, but they didn't have. Okay, I need something to catch it, right? Oops. So, turn it on. On. You gotta use this to push. You never ever use your finger to push it or you're gonna get grind. Look, it looks so fresh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I bump it. Today is a very, very busy day today. It was nice outside, so we cleaned the yard. I think that's it for me right now. I can also make a sausage over here if I want to. It comes with all complete gadget for sausage. And I think I only paid $32 for this. So I'm really happy with this ground. Okay, I'm gonna cook my spaghetti now, and yeah, I'll stop for now. So everybody have safe, whatever you do, be safe. And Joy Cusick here, signing out.